Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment Exp19 Excel Chapter 2 HOE Assessment Gateway Vacation. In its project description, you are hired for a loan vacation properties, a TimeShare company in the southern Florida. As a part of your responsibilities, you calculate loan information for customers who purchase timeshare. You will use Excel to calculate down payment, interest rate, and total payment information. That's our project description. Now we will move to our first step. Our first step is download and open the file name exp19 chapter 2 assessment timeshare. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. So I have already opened this file. That's our file. We will move to our second step. Our second step, click in the cell B2. So we will go to the cell B2. That's our cell B2. Click in the formula tab. We will go to the formula tab. That's our formula tab. What is this saying? Click date and time function in the library group. That's our date and time function in the library group. And what is saying? Select now and then click OK to enter today date in the cell. So we will go to the now and press OK. So it's now today date and time are entered in the cell. That's our second step. If you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Cengage course, Pearson Plus course, and if you need any help in any academic subject, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video. Or you can just scan the barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video to get directly in my inbox. Now we will move to our third step. Our third step is click cell D9. So we will go to the cell D9. That's our cell D9. Click in the logical on the formula tab. Click the logical in the function library group. So we will go to the logical in the function library group. That's our logical function group. And select if. Here in the logical, select if. So it start now. Type this in the logical text box. We will copy and type this in the logical test box. That's our logical test. Type B9 in the value if true box. So we will type this. It's if the value is true. We have put it this one and type B9 is equal to if the value is false. We will copy and paste this one and then the value is false. What is saying? Click OK and use the fill handle to copy the content of cell D9 down to the column. Click autofill option and click fill without formatting. So press OK and use the fill handle to go downside and this one fill without formatting only. So that's our step. That's our third step. Our fourth step is click in the cell B9 and type is equal to this one. So we will go to the cell E9. That's our cell E9. We need to paste that one. We have copied B9 minus D9 over B9 and click. Now use the fill handle to copy the content of E9 to the down to the column. Click autofill option and click fill without formatting. So copy this one to downside and fill without formatting. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is click cell F9 and type is equal to B9 minus D9. So we will go to the cell F9 here in the cell F9 paste this one, press enter, and use the fill handle to copy this one and copy this one without fill without formatting. So that's our fifth step. Our sixth step is click cell G9, click lookup and referencing in the function library group and select VLOOKUP. So we will go to the cell G9. That's our cell G9. We will go to the lookup and references and we will select lookup. Here we need to select VLOOKUP. Here in the logical and references group, we need to select VLOOKUP here. And what is the lookup value? Lookup value is C9. We need to put as a C9. C9. While the table lookup table array is a P4 to E6, we will copy this and paste this one as a table array. And what is he saying? Table array book type 2 in the column index. That's our column 2. And what is he saying at the end? Click OK. Now we need to click OK. So we have got our results in the cell G9. Our seventh step is with the G9 selected, use the fill handle to copy the content with the cell G9 down to the row 28. Click autofill options and click fill without formatting. So we will go downside and make this one fill without formatting. With the range G9 to G28 selected on the home tab in the number group, click increase the decimal twice. So we will go to the home group and in the number group we will increase its decimal twice, 1 and 2. It's now increased twice. That's our seventh step. Our eighth step is click in the cell H9 and type G9 by 12. So we will go to the cell H9. That's our cell H9. We need to paste this one and press enter. We have got our results. Fill handle to copy the H9 down to the column to H28. Click autofill option and click fill without formatting. So we will use this one. Control plus enter and we will drag down this one up to the cell and make this one fill without formatting. That's our results. And with the range selected H9 to H28 on the home tab in the number group, click and increase the decimal twice. So we will go to the home tab and here in the number group we will increase its decimal twice. That's our eighth step. Our ninth step is click the cell G9 and press this one. We will paste this one in the cell J9. That's our cell J9. We will paste this one formula. And what is he saying? You press Control plus Enter. So we will press Control plus Enter. And what is he saying? Use the fill handle to copy the content of cell G9. Click the fill option and click fill without formatting. So we will use this one fill handle to go downside and use fill without formatting. That's our ninth step. Our 10th step is click the cell K9. We will go to the cell K9. That's our K9 cell. What is he saying? Click in the formula tab. Click in the financial. We will go to the formula tab. We will go to the financial. And here we need to select the PMT. What is he saying? You need to click on the PMT In the financial, you need to select PMT. That's PMT. Now we need to enter references. Type H9 in the rate box. We will go to the H9. In the rate box, we will put H9, while J9 in the NPR box. We will copy and paste J9 in the NPR box and type minus F9 in the PV box. We will copy and paste minus P9 is the PV box and press OK. So we have got our results. That's our 10 step. Our 11th step is use the fill handle to copy the constant of the K9 down to the cell. Click the fill option and use fill without formatting. So we will go. We will use this one, drag down this one and select this one, fill without formatting. That's our 11 steps. We have total 19 steps in this assignment. I have performed 11 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video so I will get you soon. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates. Thank you.